Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system. Make sure you are signed in as an administrator and have your Wi-Fi password handy so reconnecting is quick. Once done, disable VPNs and temporarily pause third-party antivirus because they can block network changes. Now open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and click Status. You're heading straight for Network Reset. This resets adapters and network components, which clears corrupted settings, so you don't waste time troubleshooting layers that the reset will fix. You perform the reset. Select Network Reset and confirm. Windows will remove and reinstall adapters, then reboot automatically. After the restart, make sure to check Device Manager for the wireless adapter. If it's missing or shows an error, that explains the no internet state. Next, update or reinstall the driver from the vendor if Windows didn't restore it correctly. Doing this fixes incompatible or corrupted drivers. This step repairs the common middle cause: a misbehaving adapter or faulty driver preventing DHCP or association with the router. You now reconnect to the network and confirm the adapter obtains an IP4 address. This proves DHCP is working. If you still see no internet, run the Windows Network Troubleshooter to auto-fix DNS, gateway, or adapter misconfigurations. It often repairs subtle settings. Make sure to also test with a phone hotspot to determine whether the problem is the PC or the router itself. If the hotspot works, reboot the router, check firmware, and reset router settings. Otherwise, repeat driver reinstall and
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.